Echo 29 St. Mary's. Lane crosswind St. Mary's. St. Mary's traffic, Aero 4588 Juliet is departing runway 29, be departing out of the southwest, St. Mary's. Okay. Power's coming up. Okay, engine instruments are all in the green. Airspeed is alive. Rotate. Gears coming up. Gear in transit on. Master caution is still off. Alternator output is up a little bit. Nothing major. Okay, climbing up through 1,000. Pull back 25. 25. Fuel pump is off. Flaps are down. Transponder's looking good.
Traffic, bearing 432 Delta Lima's practice RNAV 35, 15 miles south inbound down runway 35, full stop, short traffic.
West Point open inbound traffic, attention skydiving 3 minutes, use caution in 30 minutes for parachute operations over the West Point Airport.
We'll just hang 2,500 for today. Like they might have the start to their corn maze going.
Traffic, bearing 2 Delta Lima, it's a 2.5 mile final runway 35, full stop.
West Point, no, full stop, West Point. Westport traffic, someone 05 at Echo, left 45, that one 28. Looks like canopies are on the ground, 1 point.
Shark Tooth Island.
West Point traffic 05 Echoes, turn at base 28 West Point.
Alright, so 13 airborne. I haven't seen gear in transit come on yet. Amps are looking steady. I think we can go ahead and head home.
West Point traffic, someone 05 at Echo, base and final 28 West Point. West Point.
Leonardtown Wharf right ahead. On down.
St. Mary's inbound traffic, take position.
Yeah, St. Mary's traffic here, 4588 Juliet is turning left downwind 29 Mooney. It looks like we won't be a factor.
Mooney's visual on the downwind traffic.
Okay, in gear speed, boop on, falling gas cylinders, our tank gear's coming down, no gear, gear and transit light on, no caution.
Inbound for landing 103.
1, 2, 3, 4 swipes of trim in. And that EB, first notch in, boost pump on, gas cylinders, our tank, undercarriage 3 down, lock, mix full, rich, prop full, increase, seats, belts, lights all on as required.
West Point traffic, red light car, we're going to overfly the airport, join down right for 28.
St. Mary's traffic here, 4588 Juliet is turning left base, runway 29 St. Mary's. Second notch is in. Boost pump on, gas cylinders, our tank undercarriage 3 down, lock, mix full, rich, prop full, increase, seats, belts, lights all on as required. Yeah, St. Mary's traffic here, 4588 Juliet is turning final, runway 29 St. Mary's. Boost pump on, gas cylinders, our tank undercarriage 3 down, lock, mix full, rich, prop full, increase, seats, belts, lights all on as required. Final checks complete.
Red light car, Cardinal on downwind for 28 at West Point.
Runway's made. Flaps down. Full air. aero braking. Light on the pedals. Coming down. Get some air. Yeah, St. Mary's traffic arrow 4588 Juliet is clear 29 St. Mary's.